Hi there everyone, this is me Vijaya Dash and welcome to my YouTube channel Vijaya.Nate and welcome to another vlog session about my birthday anniversary. So how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty, and me also doing great too by the grace of Almighty. So today this entire vlog session, this video is not like teaching video or like something others. This video is all about a vlog session. You know, in 2000, this is the second video of my birthday anniversary in my YouTube channel. So in 2020, I also posted a video about my birthday anniversary, and today is the second birthday with YouTube. So yeah, today is the 9th October when I was born, and today is my birthday, and this entire vlog session is all about my birthday. But you know what, in 2020 and 2021 there are some differences. Between that time the pandemic situation was spreading a lot, but nowadays we are getting well day by day. So in this birthday session we also have invited a lot of people, our guests, our relatives, our colleagues, friends. So this birthday session is really different from others, and as well as we are celebrating our birthday with our family, relatives, and the differences that is now we can celebrate it with our not only family but also we can go to schools, and we have got a lot of wishes from our school's friends and the classmates. So this is also a great pleasure for us. And this birthday also, as we have invited a lot of guests, so you can obviously imagine that how much gifts I have got. Yeah, but you know what, that gift is not that much, that must be, gift is not that much main theme of a birthday, but the main theme of a birthday is about your love of your family, then the blessings, their prayers are the most important parts of your birthday, and also the cooking of your own mother. So those are some important parts of your birthday that you cannot imagine and that you cannot describe at all. So those are everything that I've got in my birthday, and I've mentioned before that this birthday is really different because now this pandemic time are getting well, and that's why we can communicate with our friends, relatives, and you know the use of social media is also is also increasing day by day. So I also have got many virtual wishes and also in offline wishes. Actually, yes, tomorrow when it was like 12 at night, I've got a lot of wishes, and when I come back from my schools, I also go to my social media and I've seen a lot of wishes from my teachers, from my friends, from my relatives. This is a great pleasure for me, and they also call me to wish my birthday. So this is also a great pleasures moment for me. So thank you so much. And the most important, you can think that what I made this video because I need your prayers. If you can pray for me, so in the future I'll be able to do something best for the country, for our family, for the whole nation. So I hope you'll pray for me, and you will also keep yourself with my YouTube channel Vijaya.Nate, and as well as my Facebook page Vijaya English Presentation. And I need a lot of prayers for you, and don't forget to pray for me. So thank you so much, and see you around in the next video. Stay well, stay safe, and stay with Vijaya.Nate. Thank you so much. Bye bye.